Alright guys, so I hope you're doing fine as always. I just wanted to make a quick video about this Bitcoin price action that we saw in these last few days. You can see we had a very good rally up from 108k to 123, almost 124k. And how we could have seen this coming, or what were the indications that we would have a very strong move up. So if we check this screenshot here that I posted on the 29th of September in the Discord server, which is right here in this zone, I can indicate it all the way. So in this zone, what can we see on the screenshot? So this is a screenshot from Coinank, and I circled it right here. We see a negative $618 million delta. In negative, it means there are 620 million more asks than there are bids. So people are selling. The big orders are all sell orders. So people want to sell. At least the big fish want to sell. It's not retail, it's the whales, it's institutions, it's market makers, etc. All these big instances want to sell. So what do they need to do in order to get their positions filled? They need to mark prices up. So it's a big sell clusters to the top side. So prices need to go up to fill these sell orders, which is very contradicting to a normal retail mindset. People think if there's a lot of sellers, prices will go down, which is true to an extent. But if we have a lot of big sell orders sitting as limits in the charts, these big players want to mark prices up so their orders get filled. We can see this was taken in the range of 110k to 117k. So in this whole range we had already this negative delta. This is a prime indication, if we see such a big numbers, that we can start expecting a move up. Now that in combination with that we're hitting our 800 EMA right here, which showed us a lot of support before, right here in the dump, right there in the move down, and again right here. This could have been a prime example of a long position. They didn't quite sweep this low, but they might have had a FIB retrace level. So they did hit a 886 FIB level, which is also quite a strong level. This was the indication. We saw it move up on the 28th already, so with a potential strong vector move up in combination with this very big deltas we see right here, that's a prime example of the big players wanting to push prices higher to get their orders filled. Now, if we check this on Coinank itself, we could see the 29th is in this area right here. What can we see? What happened from there? It's all sell orders. Look at all these sells. So they sold like 30 million here. They sold 10 million here, 40 million there, 20 million, 35 million, 13 million, 16 million, 12 million, and so on. So this whole move up, all these red boxes are huge sell orders. Now, if we zoom out, we see we still have a chunk of sell orders which are not filled yet. 125k, at 124k, but we also see some buy orders coming in at 121k for 13 million. We have 42 million buy orders sitting. So we could see it's almost going to balance each other out again. So let's check the delta, which we take here. Large limits order. Let's take here, for example, 3k ranges. what can we see? There is still a negative delta, but only 87 million. So this is not quite the 680 million we had before, so this is pretty neutral. If we check bigger ranges, let's say we take the 130k zone and 114-ish. We can see in the big ranges, the delta is still quite strongly negative at the moment. Earlier in the live streams we did, this was a positive delta, so it's switched pretty fast. A lot of sell orders have appeared. So in the big ranges, this indicates that the move is still up if this order book doesn't change over the weekend. So yes, we could potentially see local retraces to fill some buy orders, but the general sense in the bigger ranges is still upwards. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to quickly show the power of this delta and this order book and how big deltas can indicate a very strong and aggressive move in the market. If there are any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section or on the Discord server, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care, see ya, bye bye.